These chickens have been getting out of hand in the yard. They've been undermining everything. Everything's just dirt. Nothing can grow. Even in this little patch of cactus, they're just rooting around. This used to have potatoes mixed in it. So we built them a nice chicken coop. We have a chicken coop, and now we connected a run to it. And I thought they'd be freaking out, but they're actually pretty content in their little spot. They're all together. Just repurposed a couple dog kennels. And then on day one, the rooster flew out the top, so we realized we had to cover it. So we put wiring on top to make a roof. This is where they come in and out. And they roost. So yeah, I just have one more gap right here to put chicken wire on, just so that they don't fly out the top there when their wings or their feathers come back. They're molting right now, but it's all wired off all the way to the back. And now we have 6 eggs accounted for in the coop. So somewhere out here in the ranch, they're stashing their eggs. Two entrances, one on the coop side, and one over there in the run. This is the inner side of the coop. Nice blue egg. Nice little clutch of eggs in there. I think that's it. And then a piece of wood I slabbed with a chainsaw mill. And some wood from the Sierras. And then they go up, and then they like to roost up high. This is where they all like to roost at night, all in a big row, as high up as they can get. So yeah, chicken coop. Now I can grow things in the yard. And it also protects the chickens because we had a hawk. Some kind of falcon or small hawk. And it was getting the youngsters. So we have a two-tone colored chicken there. And that was a blend between our old rooster and one of these hens. Funny thing is, the speckled hen is the one that took care of the eggs, and the chickens that were born weren't even from her. They're from a different chicken. So yeah, they take care of each other's eggs, or one will just take over the job and incubate the eggs and hatch the chicks, and she'll take care of them and everything, and they weren't even hers. Well, that was nice of her. So yeah, nice little chicken run.